Hi, this is the FixProfit channel. I am a robot with an average passability of 90%. Right now I will show you how to increase your deposit to a cool amount using my signals, starting with just $1. I will start working with the currency pair Swiss franc, Japanese yen. The signal is higher, time frame 1 minute. I specifically increased the speed of price movement for easy viewing and to save your time. From now on I will announce the results. Our team is giving you the opportunity to use 3 signals from FixProfit for free, after which you will be able to purchase the full version of Neural Network at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at 90% discount. Link in the description. After purchase, you will be taken to a VIP chat where market analytics are conducted. There our team analyzes various market situations and shares current signals. So, the first trade closed in the plus. Now I will invest the whole amount of my deposit in new transactions every time to achieve results as quickly as possible. My new signal is for hire. There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the contest results, I publish important educational information there, which will help you quickly pump up your skills and improve your trading mindset. Good luck, friends! So, here comes the second trade closed in the plus. Now I'm investing $3.17 in a new transaction. The new forecast is for lower. And now I will tell you about how to understand and apply the concept of buy on rumors, sell on facts, when trading. The concept is prevalent in financial markets, including in the trading of currency pairs on options platforms. This phrase encapsulates the idea that price movements often precede fundamental events and adjust before actual news is released. In options trading, where decisions are about predicting short-term movements, understanding and applying this concept can be particularly valuable. Meanwhile, the deal closed with a profit. I'm going into a new transaction at $5.64. My new recommendation is for hire. Understanding buy the rumor, sell the news. This concept is based on market psychology and the tendency of prices to move on anticipations, the rumors, and then correct after the actual event occurs, the news. Rumors about economic data releases, central bank decisions, or geopolitical events can lead traders to buy or sell assets in anticipation of these events. Once the event occurs and the news is out, the market may have already priced in the outcome, leading to a reversal or slowdown in price movement. So, here comes another successful trade thanks to my signal. Now I will work with the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, investing $10.04. My forecast is for lower. Anticipation phase. Buy the rumor. In the days or hours leading up to a scheduled announcement, market participants will speculate on the outcome. If the majority expects, for instance, a central bank to raise interest rates, they may start buying the currency in anticipation, causing its value to rise. Reaction phase. Sell the news. Once the anticipated event occurs, and the information is released, there might be a surge of activity that could either confirm the rumor or react to a surprise in the news. Often, if the event matches market expectations, traders will sell off the asset to take profits, leading to a drop in price. This phase reflects the adjustment of prices to the new information. I keep making money. In 3 seconds, I give the signal, hire. Keep a close eye on financial news and an economic calendar. Identify key events that are likely to affect the currency pairs you are trading. Engage with financial news outlets, analyst reports, and trader forums to gauge market sentiment and uncover rumors. Be cautious of the source and reliability of the information. In options, you cannot sell an option early, in most cases, so timing your entry becomes crucial. If you believe the market is buying the rumor, you may consider placing a call option before the news, expecting the price to rise. Conversely, place a put option if you anticipate a sell-off after the news release. I closed the trade in the plus side again. The new investment is $33.62. I am promptly issuing a recommendation, lower, managing risk. This strategy inherently involves speculation, which carries risk. Protect your capital by not investing more than you can afford to lose on any given trade. Use technical analysis tools to identify entry and exit points. Look for patterns that have historically signaled reversals after news releases. Trading on rumors can be exciting and nerve-wracking. Maintain a level of detachment and don't let excitement or fear drive your decisions. Be aware of the herd behavior that often accompanies rumor-driven markets. The key is to anticipate the herd's movement, not to get trampled by it. I continue to be successful. I will now enter the market at $61.52. 2 keystrokes on my menu, and that's the signal, lower. After each trade, review your decisions against the market outcome. Did the market react as expected? Could you have timed your entry or exit better? Adapt your strategy. As you gather more experience with this concept, adjust your strategy to reflect your findings. Maybe you find that certain currency pairs react more predictably to rumors, or certain types of news don't generate enough volatility for options trading. Stay informed. The financial markets are in constant flux, with new players and new information. Keep learning and stay informed about both market mechanics and current events. I keep moving up. The new investment is $112.58. This is getting serious. The new signal is higher. Buy the rumor, sell the news is a strategy that hinges on understanding market psychology and being able to act before the majority of market participants. For options traders, it can offer a way to capitalize on market movements driven by the anticipation of news events. However, it requires a balance of informed speculation, technical analysis, and risk management. This approach, like all trading strategies, is not without risk, and its success depends on a trader's ability to accurately gauge market sentiment and react accordingly. In the meantime, I've gotten to a good amount of money. My new investment will be $206.02. 2 keystrokes in my menu and you will receive signals instantly. My recommendation right now is to go higher. Also, in the message with the signal, I indicate information about volatility and news background for this currency pair. Now, both of these parameters are active and affect the price. Working on this structure with me, you will become millionaires. I have absorbed all the information that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I'll triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make in my discounted purchase will pay for itself in the first few hours of operation. So, $171 in profit. I'm very close to my goal. My new investment is $377.02. My new signal is lower. I'm hitting the red button on pocket option. Right now there is reduced volatility and a weakened news background. And now you can see on the screen reviews of satisfied traders who have already significantly increased their profits thanks to FixProfit. I work for you. For you. I use the most powerful algorithms. I use 30 indicators, technical and candlestick analysis, and price action. This allows me to instantly predict the result. So, here comes another successful trade. $312.93 profit. It's time for the final transaction. The investment is $689.95. My prediction is higher. Friends, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to not miss new interesting episodes in which I will conduct technical analysis, share important information with you, and hold cool contests. By the way, don't forget to participate in the contest for $1,000, which I told you about at the beginning of this video. May you be lucky! And of course, subscribe via the link in the description to our team's Telegram channel, where you can get even more valuable information and find out the results of the contest. And here is the final result of today's trading. I managed to earn $1,262.61 from just $1. Thanks for watching. See you soon.